Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block ads on Android phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, you can open your settings application. And after you have your settings application opened, you can go to the connection setting. This one, and here you have to select the more connection settings, and we have to go to the private DNS. Okay, on this private DNS, we have three options. We have off, automatic, and private DNS provider host name. And if you want to block ads on your Android phone, you can select this one. That's private DNS provider host name. And don't forget to input this one. That's dns.adcard.com. Then after you're done inputting this one, you can click on the save button. Then the setting will be saved. And after that, the ads on your Android phone will be automatically blocked. And I hope this trick will work on your Android phone. Alright guys, and that's how we can block ads on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.